everyone. Today we will see how to make a tasty and healthy chocolate muffins. Before we start to make this chocolate muffins, let's prepare the buttermilk we need for this recipe. For this, take 1 cup of milk and add 1 teaspoon of vinegar to it. Mix it lightly and within 5 minutes the buttermilk that we need will be ready. Then take a large bowl and add half a cup of melted butter in it. Then add the sugar. Since we are making a healthy muffin, I have added 1.5 cups of jaggery. You can add any healthy sugar that you have at home. You can use coconut sugar, cane sugar or anything that you have at home. Now beat the butter and the sugar for about 1 to 2 minutes till it's well combined. Next we can start adding the eggs. We need 2 eggs for this recipe. Add 1 egg at a time and beat it in. Make sure the eggs are at room temperature. Beat the eggs for 1 to 2 minutes till it's light and fluffy. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla to this mixture and then add the prepared buttermilk. Now beat this buttermilk in till it's all well combined. All this makes our wet ingredients. Next we can start adding the dry ingredients. For this, place a sieve over the bowl and then add the flour. I have added whole wheat flour. You can use whichever atta you have at home. Then we can add the cocoa powder. We are using half a cup of cocoa powder for this recipe. Then add the baking powder. We are using 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and then finally add 1 teaspoon of coffee powder. This is instant coffee powder. The coffee helps to enhance the flavor of the chocolate, so I always add some coffee. If you don't want to add this coffee powder, you can leave it out. I have used Nescafe. You can use any coffee powder that you have at home. Sieve all these ingredients into the bowl and then start mixing the wet and the dry ingredients. Make sure you don't over mix the batter. Once you add the flour, just mix it till it all comes together. Especially since we are adding whole wheat flour, make sure you don't overbeat the batter. Once it makes a smooth chocolate batter, then it's ready. Now if you can see, my batter was a little thick. So since we are using whole wheat flour, it's better if your batter is a little runny. So I added 1 tablespoon extra milk. You can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of milk, a little extra milk if you feel that your batter is very thick. Add the milk and mix it again. Mix it till it makes a homogeneous smooth chocolate cake batter like this. Then add 1 cup of chocolate chips. If you don't want to add the chocolate chips, you can leave this out and add some chopped nuts also. Leave a little bit of the chocolate chips to decorate the top of the muffins. If you don't have chocolate chips, you can add any dark chocolate you have at home. Just chop it into small pieces and add it in. Next, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then take a muffin tray like this and line the muffin tray with the paper liners. This will make sure you can remove the muffins from the tray easily. Now transfer the chocolate batter into these paper liners. I am using an ice cream scoop. Just take 1 scoop at a time and fill each paper liner. Make sure you don't overfill the liners, because if you overfill, then when the cake is baking, it will overflow and flow out. Add about half to 2/3 of the paper liner. Then when it's baking, it will rise beautifully and your muffins will look very nice. Finally, add the chocolate chips that we kept behind to decorate the top of the muffins. If you're using nuts, then decorate the muffins with the nuts. Now these muffins are ready to be baked in the preheated oven. Bake these muffins for 20 to 22 minutes or until the skewer comes out clean. Since we are making these muffins with whole wheat flour, if you over bake these muffins, then it will become very dry and it won't be very nice. After these muffins cool a little bit, remove it from these muffin trays and then place the next set of liners and bake the next set of muffins. Totally, you will get about 24 muffins with this recipe. So this is it, a very easy and simple yet a tasty and healthy chocolate muffins are done. These are one of the best whole wheat flour muffins. Even though we've used whole wheat flour, these muffins are so soft and fluffy and moist because of the buttermilk that we've added in this recipe. It's also rich and chocolatey. All these chocolate chips make it so tasty. This is my most favorite chocolate muffin recipe. Whenever my family or my kids ask for some chocolate cake or chocolate muffins, this is always my go-to recipe. So do try out this healthy and tasty chocolate muffins. Until next time, bye-bye.